Hey there, bakers. Welcome to my kitchen. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my kitchen. I am super excited today. I got asked by a... Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my kitchen. I am so excited, y'all. I got asked to do a collaboration with Southern Roots on your famous recipes or wonderful recipes for pound cakes. That's what I said. Pound cakes, y'all. Oh my God, pound cakes are amazing. You can do so much with just 1 pound cake. You can add this, add that, just make it your own. And that's what I'm doing. I'm sharing it with you today. Today, we are gonna be making a bright, beautiful pound cake to share. You can eat it for a snack, take it to family functions, take it to gatherings, or just eat it for dessert. Eat it for breakfast. That's what I do. Oh my gosh. But let me tell you which pound cake we're gonna be making today. You ready for this? We are gonna be making a blueberry, cream cheese, wonderful tasting pound cake. So, let's get started. I don't know about you, but Southern Roots, we are so thrilled that you picked us to participate in your videos for our recipes. I could not be more thrilled about this. So, let's see what we're gonna be using for the ingredients for this blueberry cream cheese, yummy, oh, so blissful pound cake. The ingredients needed for this recipe is 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 cups of blueberries, 1 egg white, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup sour cream, 2 cups sugar, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and 3 cups flour. That's all of the ingredients right here that you need for this yummy blueberry cream cheese pound cake. Now for the tools that I'm going to use is my stand mixer with my paddle on it, and I've got my bundt pan and then a few spatulas to help me along the way. I'm going to use some vegetable oil spray in my pan to get it all greased up, and then we're going to start. So we're going to start with our sugar, cream cheese, and butter and get those mixed around. Get it all blended up good. And this is where your spatulas come in. gonna mix it until it's creamy. All blended together. So now that it's creamy, we're gonna start mixing in the eggs. Okay, so now we're gonna start adding the eggs one at a time. And add in your egg white. Now's when you want to add in your lemon extract. I mean lemon zest, sorry, not lemon extract. And your vanilla. Get that all mixed in. Now we removed 2 tablespoons of the flour to add to the blueberries. We're going to add this in and fold it together and just set it to the side. At this point, you should be preheating your oven to 350 degrees. So this is what your blueberries should look like after you stir all the flour up in it. Gently stir. Don't be aggressive because you want your blueberries together. It is time now to add the flour, sour cream, baking powder, baking soda, and salt to the wet ingredients. You want to do this a little at a time of each ingredient. So I'm going to do half of my flour. My baking powder. My baking soda. My salt. Go ahead and add half of my sour cream. The other half of my flour. And now the rest of my sour cream. Get that all mixed together well. Now it's time to fold in the blueberries. Yes, there's going to be juice, and that's okay. Now you don't want to do this on the mixer. You don't want to, you just want to gently fold it in. You don't want all the blueberries mush. You want them whole. Now, isn't that beautiful? Now what we're going to do is we're going to place it in the cake pan. So you're going to want to pour this in your cake pan. Make sure you get all of it out. Oh, don't pour it down the middle like I just did. That was a oopsie. So once you get it all in your cake pan, you're going to want to make sure that it's pretty much evened out. Let me get this last little bit. I don't like leaving leftovers. always tap mine just a couple of times, just to make sure. Now we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 50 minutes or until it comes out no debris on a toothpick. So while your cake is in the oven, why not take that time to clean up your kitchen? My granny always told me a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. So I'll be back when the cake's done and my kitchen is clean. Okay, so I just took it out of the oven. Let's test it. Guess what? It's done. So we're gonna wait for this to cool now completely. Then we're gonna take it out the pan and make the glaze. So now it's time to make the glaze. And what we're gonna do is we're going to do 1 teaspoon, a little bit more than a teaspoon, of lemon zest with 1 1/4 cups of powdered sugar. And we're gonna do about half a lemon.
Lemon juice.
Yep, lemon juice. We're gonna squeeze it. There we go. And then we're gonna just take and mix it together and make a glaze. Does it smell good, Autumn?
It smells like lemon.
Smells like lemon. I need to put a little bit more juice in it.
Does it really smell like lemon? Does it smell like lemon? Oh, you spilled it!
Okay, so I have the glaze all ready. I had to add a little bit more lemon juice and a few drops of water to get it to the consistency of what I want. So now we're going to see about the cake. So now it's time to take the pan off for the big reveal. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh my goodness, look at that.
Even has a little hole in it like a donut.
Yeah, isn't that beautiful, y'all? Let me get it plated up. So what you're gonna do with the glaze, since it is completely cooled, is you're gonna take your glaze and just pour it over the top.
Whoa.
Yeah, ain't that neat, Autumn?
Yeah. I tasted it.
You tasted it.
It tastes like lemon.
Tastes like lemon?
Wait, can I have some more lemon in it?
So I'm gonna let this glaze sit and let it do its thing. And here is the final masterpiece.
It's not fancy at all.
And that's it. That's how you make the blueberry cheesecake pound cake. I hope you liked the recipe. If y'all noticed in the video while I was making the cake, my little helper wasn't here today. They went to daddy-daughter dance at the church tonight. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yes, she got home in time for me to do the frosting and to cut up the cake. So, was there a lot of lemon in the cake, Autumn? No, not enough lemon? That's what she told me, there wasn't enough lemon. So she wanted to add more lemon, so I was like, no. But tell everybody bye.
I'm gonna add some more lemon in it. Bye.
Thank you for following along with me on my video on making this blueberry cream cheese pound cake. It actually turned out so beautifully. And I want to thank Southern Roots as well for the collaboration invite. And I hope that you enjoy my video as much as I enjoyed making it for you and having you come along in my kitchen. If you're new here, we welcome you. Check out some other cooking videos or check out our homesteading videos. If you're an old pro to Pafford Homestead, thank you for returning. We really appreciate everything. So, from my kitchen to your kitchen, stay safe, be blessed, and always keep on homesteading, y'all. Bye.